we're extremely proud to announce another new model that is destined for greatness. The Viking 74. Hello everybody, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen so far on our new 74 Viking. It showcases all of the 60 years of boat building, everything that we've done to define this company and our products. We saw incredible success with our 72 building 75 of them over its 7-year history. But we will never stop designing, refining, and innovating. This boat is going to be the next game-changing sport fish between 70 and 80 feet. Our refined running surface combined with the advanced Viking propulsion system gives this boat a tremendous performance advantage. We just finished our first sea trials on the new 74 and it was at 45 knots, two-way average. On the flybridge, you have a 6-inch raised platform at the helm for great forward visibility, and the aft visibility is phenomenal. The helm has flush-mounted displays, a console lounge with freezer storage, and split freezers forward. Some of the many highlights include a dedicated rod and tackle room, a larger cockpit, and a restyled flybridge. I look forward to seeing everybody in Fort Lauderdale, where we will debut this boat this month and see why it will be the most successful boat ever built between 70 and 80 feet.